Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair skyrocketed 1.1% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 3.5% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the gold drop 0.5% against the dollar. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the oil gain 0.9% against the dollar. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Oil prices rose by $1 a barrel as supply disruptions mounted, and traders bet that demand will grow if the US Federal Reserve lowers borrowing costs this week, as is widely expected. The US dollar strengthened against most major currencies following better than expected retail sales data that seemed to support a less aggressive stance by the Federal Reserve, which is widely expected to deliver its first interest rate cut in more than 4 years. Tether's stablecoin USDT has surpassed $1 billion in circulating supply on the open network. The uptake underscores USDT's dominance among United States dollar-backed stablecoins and TON chains' rising popularity, despite setbacks to Telegram, the social media platform that created TON chain in 2018.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Fed interest rate decision will be released at 18 GMT. The US FOMC press conference at 18:30 GMT, the Eurozone's harmonized index of consumer prices at 9 GMT. The Austrian HICP will be released at 7 GMT, the UK's consumer price index at 6 GMT, the UK's core consumer price index at 6 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.